Hello everyone and welcome to my channel La Vida with Kim, and today guys I am giving you an up close look and what fits in my bag of this beautiful new Coach Shearling Tabby shoulder bag in a size 26. So guys, look at this. I already did one of the 20. I have both. If you guys saw that one as well, I did the unboxing, I did the up close look, and now it's time for this one. This is a 26 again. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. I am just obsessed with these bags, guys. They are so soft. I love them. Perfect for this fall and winter season, guys. So let's begin. Let me show you the up close look. And if you are interested in buying one, I will have a link down below in the description for you, okay? For this one and the 26 and all the Shearling bags I can find, okay? So let's begin with the up close look. This is the front. Look at this. And by the way, guys, let me know what you guys think on these up close looks. Do you guys like them? Are you like, it's boring? Let me know, okay? So yes, this is the front. This is the side. You can see it does have a little bit of an indentation in there. This is the other side. It does have a little hook for a charm, and it does come with a Coach tag and nothing in the back. It does have the bronze hardware. This is the bottom. This is the back. It does have a magnetic pocket back here. Look at all this space, guys. Look at that, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And then this is a top view. Okay. This is a chain. Look at that. So let me read you guys real quick some of the details from the website. It does say 95% sheep shearling and 5% cow leather. It does have a chain strap with 21.5 drop for shoulder or crossbody wear, 11 3/4 in length, 6 in height, and 4 1/4 in width. Okay, so let's look inside now. It is a push lock style lock. Look at that. And let me tell you guys, this interior is so nice and smooth. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. It does say the Tabby bag right there in the first front pocket, and it says Coach right there in the hardware. So this is a magnetic front pocket. Look at the interior. So much space, guys. Look at that. And then for the main compartments, it does have 2 pockets, one in the back, one in the front, and then a zipper pocket right here. Look at that. And it has a Coach tag right there. So this whole back area is leather, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, that is the up close look. And now let me show you guys what fits inside. So I got my essential wallet right here, guys. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. This one does fit in this bag. If you saw my video where I'm doing what fits in my bag for the 20, I had to use a card case. So now I can use this one. And I'm going to put it in the back right here. Like that. Next, I have my phone stand. I love carrying these thin ones. Helps a lot. I'm going to put this in the front pocket. Like that. You can't even see it. Look at that. Next, I have my Mentos gum. I love this little mini one. I got this from the Dollar Tree, I think. Like that. Next, I have my phone charger. Just gonna put it in there. I have my microphones. I always tell you guys, this would be like if you guys had headphones, right? These are my Rode microphones. I'm gonna put it in here. Look at that. This has so much more space compared to the 20. Next, I have some lip balm. gonna put this over here, and it does fit standing up. Look at that. Awesome. I have my hand sanitizer as well, and if you guys remember, if you saw the 20, like I said, I'm comparing a bit, guys, because you know it's the same bag. This one fits, but the flap, it kind of was hard to put on because this was a bit high. So I told you guys to use the Pocket Bath and Body hand sanitizers. For this one though, it does fit. That is awesome. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. It fits perfectly, guys. Next, I have my wipes. Just gonna put them in there. Need to have some wipes. And my lotion, guys. So the lotion also fits up right. Look at that. Perfect. And I also have some band-aids. Gotta have these because I have kiddos. And some allergy medicine that I'm actually gonna put in the middle pocket. So, because it's very thin, you know, they don't take up a lot of space. Put that in there. Look at that. I still have so much space, guys, honestly. If I wanted to put more stuff in here, I could. Look at that. I love how everything looks so nicely organized, though. For the front pocket, I am going to be putting tissues, though. Gotta have these for the cold weather. Easier to grab, you know, just open it up real quick. The kids need tissues right there. So that is it for this area of the bag. I'm going to clip it. For the back, I would probably just add my hair tie. Easier to grab. I love to have my hair up. So just put it in the back pocket right there. It is magnetic, so I love that. And she is all ready to go, guys. Look at that. I do need a charm though. Hold on. I think my little Miss Santa mini right here would look so cute, guys, because I do want to wear this like during around winter time. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it like that. Look at that. So cute. She's so cute. I love bubble bar charms. Look at that. Just gotta make her stand up. There you go. Or not. Like that, guys. So let me know what you think, guys. I love these Shearling bags. They are gorgeous. I will definitely do an updated video of like how she looks after a few maybe months or even years of use, because I know a lot of people are terrified. But guys, I just had to have this one. I love it. I hope this up close look helped you if you are deciding to get one, you know, and you're still a little iffy. You get a better look of what fits inside as well. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Leave me a lovely comment down below. Subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Hype it up while you're at it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.